Hi everybody!
Hello!
Happy 60th birthday, Papang!
Happy birthday, Papang!
Kung si kumpare mo pa din Navarro, bali subong, dual citizen ka na, kay Filipino citizen kag
Senior
senior citizen.
citizen!
We wish you good health always, cause hindi naton manigar that you're turning old na, kag may limitations na ang imo nga mga giyo. Hinay-hinay lang sa paghampan sa basketball
Sa pag-ubra tudo.
o kag sa pag-ubra. Basta halungan mo lang pirmi mo lawas. Kag salamat sa tanan nga ginhimo mo para sa amon. Kabalogid ko kung ano ka dako ang imo na mga sakripisyo para lang ma-provide mo sa amon ang maayo nga life, kag mapadako mo kami sa kung ano kami subong. Salamat sa tanan nga mga advices, sa tanan nga guidance nga impart mo sa amon. Bisan tuod stricto ka the way ka mag-disiplina sa amon, pero subong ko lang na-realize kung nga ginamo mo kami na kung nga amo na ang imo nga way sa pag-disiplina. Even though you're not that expressive when it comes sa pag-show mo sang imong love para sa amon, but we really felt your love and concern sa amon tanan. Ang imo nga care sa amon, maski sa mga apo mo na palangga mo gid gyapon sila, and you have your own special ways of showing it to us. You are more than just a good father and a good provider. You are our mentor, our defender, and our inspiration in life.
And thank you, Papang, for everything, sa imo nga support sa amon, and for being there for us sa tanan mga advices. We are really praying for good health and longer life for you, and we are looking forward for a more happy memories with you and the rest of the family when we get back. We prepared a little something for your birthday, Papang. Please bear with us because we didn't have enough practice. So, pasensyahan lang.
Sinsya lang amon nga hidden talent.
Halin pa sa baul.
Hope you enjoy. Here it goes. And and wild, a cabinet maker's son. His hands are meant for different work, and his heart was known to none. He left his home and went his lone and solitary way. And he gave to me a gift I know I never can repay.
Like when I used to deny the simpler thing. He tried to be a soldier once, but his music wouldn't win. He earned his love through discipline, a conjuring velvet hand. His gentle wings of softened songs took me years to understand.
The leader of the band is tired and his voice is growing old. But his blood runs through my instrument and his song is in my soul. My life has been a poor attempt to imitate the man. I'm just a living legacy to the leader of the band. Can't be different from when I heard another call. One went to Chicago and the other to St. Paul. I'm Colorado when I'm not in some hotel. Living out his life I chose, I'd come to know so well. We heard the music and your stories of the road. I thank you for the freedom when it came my time to go. I thank you for the kindness and the times when you get tough. And Papa, I don't think I said I love you near enough. The leader of the band is tired and his eyes are growing old. But his blood runs through my instrument and the song is in my soul. My life has been a poor attempt to imitate the man. I'm just a living legacy to the leader of the band. I am the living legacy to the leader of the band.
Liwat kita ni.
Thank you. Pasensya nyo na nga nga pagkanta. Salamat, Gid. We love you, Papang. We miss you. Kamu ni Mamang, halong kamu perme.
Yes. We
And,
love and miss you all.
Yeah. And hope to see you soon. Bye.